have just completed this El Capitan tier build on a Ford Transit Trail. I'd like to point out the flatline roof rack on top of the van. The exterior perimeter lighting is mounted to that, as well as the ladder from Flatline. Around the back, from Owl Vans, we have the tire carrier, the B2 bike carrier, dueling bike trays, and the large expedition box. Ooh, so pretty. Let's check out the garage. Look at all that space. Electrical components on the driver's side, water components on the passenger side, the hose for the outdoor shower port, and dueling bike trays. I love these. They're super heavy duty. They'll support up to 500 pounds. You can access anything you have stored in the back of your garage super simply. These push back in. Great function. Around the side, the pop-outs are from Van Speed. These are going to give you additional space on the inside of the van. Every inch counts. We've got the awning from Nomadic. This does have the LED lights on it. This is a slide window that will open up and give you plenty of fresh air in your van. The outdoor fold-down table. And inside. Of course, additional storage in the form of a headliner shelf. We've got the control panel up front, stainless steel refrigerator, slide out storage for all of your spicy needs. Beautiful tiled shower in here with the composting toilet at the bottom. Cabinet space. This has storage up top with a garment rack hanging down below and the mirror. Benches to my left and right with cat access at the bottom. Yes, cat access. This customer has cats and wanted to be able to have a litter box on one side, and this bench actually has both of these open up. This has an outlet underneath, so in case it gets cold while they're camping, they can do like a heated blanket for their cat so that it doesn't get cold. Also, these benches transform magically into a dining area. It's not magic, it's just cool. This is a king-size mattress in this van. Up top, we've got the Nomadic X2 AC unit and the Max Air fan. These work beautifully in tandem with the Max Air fan exhausting all of that hot air out, and this AC unit brings in so much cold air. Overhead storage cabinets. This one houses the Starlink. Built-in microwave. That's not all. Built-in induction cooktop. Tons of drawer space in here. This van does have the custom-made sink cover. Potable water, filtered water, and last but not least, the extended countertop. Thank you for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We will see you next week.